I have found the absolute cutest homes right outside of the Plaza District, just minutes from the Oklahoma City Fairgrounds, and I think that they would make the cutest Airbnbs. My name is Kinsley and I'm a local realtor in the Oklahoma City metro area. If you're looking to move, if you're looking to invest, I would love to be able to work with you and help you on your purchase. Please feel free to reach out to me. You can give me a call, text, send me an email so that we can just get connected and I can help you on this next purchase. Like I said, I am in the absolute cutest house. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, right outside of the Plaza District. It's got the perfect location, just minutes from the fairground, for what I think would be a really good Airbnb or other short-term rental. Also has great potential for long-term rentals, or it would honestly just be a really cute house to live in and make as your primary residence. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and take you along through this tour of this 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in the heart of Oklahoma City. Okay, so we're right out here in front of these two, and like I said, they are identical but just slightly different colors. And so we're actually going to tour this one today. And so as you walk up, you can see really big, pretty windows out front. There's a cute little balcony up there off the master, and then cute front porch. And then we immediately walk into the living area. So right here from the living area, you can see stairs that lead upstairs. You have your dining and kitchen. So it definitely kind of has that longer floor plan, but you walk straight into the living room. Very spacious. There's definitely a lot of room in between each segment. But one of my favorite parts is that you have this little office / reading nook or whatever you want it to be up front. And I think this is just a great addition to this house because whether this is short-term or long-term rental, it really does have just a lot of possibilities with this room. You can make it a game room and store things or whatever it is. I just think this room is really cute and adds a little kind of bonus to the house. So from there, we come back to the living room, and then through here, we have our dining room. And this is a pretty spacious table, but there's still tons of room. So you could add a bigger couch and living area. You could do a bigger table. You could even add like a buffet over here. There's really a lot of potential for this space. And so also these big windows bring in a lot of natural light, and you can see really they have just minimal staging, but super cute in and of itself. And then right in here, you have a good little storage closet with your water heater. And then we come into the kitchen. It's got pretty countertops, very kind of just simple, but also very cute and in style. The big window in the back. This is also where your parking would be, is right back here out of this window. And then this backsplash I really like, very modern. And then off of the kitchen, you have your laundry room here, which is a good size. And then you have your pantry here. So a really nice walk-in pantry. I like how they really used every space to the most. No wasted space whatsoever. And so yeah, really nice size, very open. Because the house is so open, it definitely feels really large and spacious. And then what else is down here is this little half bath, which I think is a great little addition because without this, you'd have to go upstairs to go to the bathroom. So here you have a bathroom while people are downstairs just hanging out. You have this little nice half bath. So from here, we're gonna go upstairs so we can check out the bedrooms and the bathrooms. And one thing to notice right here is this rail, which I really like this railing. It adds just some character and really some cute charm. So we're gonna go this way and check out some of the guest bedrooms. So these would be just extra bedrooms. And just to kind of show you how much light, this does not even have the light on in here, but it's super bright. And then really, again, good size closets for just some extra bedrooms. And then here in this bathroom, again, really spacious, pretty tile in the shower, very modern looking. And really just a lot of good storage here. Really just a cute little bathroom overall. And then over here, we have this second bedroom, just a simple bedroom. You know that they're identical because that bedroom lines up with this one. And then again, another good sized closet here. So out of here, we're gonna go check out the master, which I mentioned earlier is super cute. It's got that walkout balcony. Okay, so here's your master. So pretty good size. Could definitely fit a bed here. And then from here is your closet. And so a walk-in closet. You got a space for dresses, but then plenty of storage around. Then we also have the master bath. And so you've got double vanities, really cute modern mirrors, and then a really pretty shower. I like how they use the darker tile in here. And then you don't have a whole toilet room, but I like how they added this wall just for separation. And then again, still lots of natural light in this bathroom. So we're gonna go ahead and head downstairs and kind of finish checking it out. But again, look how cute this little balcony is. I just think it'd be so nice to wake up and have like your morning coffee and read out on the little balcony. So super cute. Again, as I'm walking through, hopefully you can see why I think it would be just a really cute Airbnb or even a long-term rental, or honestly, it'd be really cute just to live in yourself. It's got a lot of space and the space is used really well. And so yeah, you walk down and you have, again, living, dining, and kitchen through there. So if you're looking to move, if you're looking to invest, again, please don't hesitate to call me and I would love to work with you and just help you on your next move. So don't forget to subscribe and I will catch you in my next video.